Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is Tuesday, January 17. The time is 4 a.m. GMT, and for today we are looking at the chart of the Hang Seng Index. This is a 45 minutes chart here. Now we can see the index rallying now. We ended with 2 in the primary degree here, and then from here we rally with 1 here in the minor degree. Then this is with 2, and then now we are looking to finish with 3. It should be complete any time now. I mean, if it drops a little bit more from here, then I think we can adjust the count. We can place 3 and 4 here, and we can place 5 here, and then that will mean that the 3 could be ending already here if we get a little bit more downside and break below this previous low here. Okay, so in the very short term, that with 4 in the minor degree here, it could happen anytime now. If we measure the extension so far, more or less it's already reaching the 100% extension. So again, depending on how big the pullback is, if we rally again from here, then I think we still can make a marginal high. Otherwise, we can already start with 4 in the minor degree, and then as long as we stay above 18,892 here, we can then go higher again with 5 in the minor degree before ending with 1 in the intermediate degree. Okay, so it's going to be ending 5, and then the 5 is going to be ending 1 here. Now we're going to discuss a couple of possible paths in the Hang Seng Index, but first let's zoom out and let's copy all this main count here: 2, 1 in red, 2 in red, 3, 4 here. So if I look out in the 4-hour time frame, this is the position of the 2 that we saw in the 1-hour time frame, the 45 minutes chart, and this is the 1 and 2. We are now about to end with 3 soon. Okay, we are about to end with 3 soon. Again, it could be with one more push higher. I mean, we can even label it like this still. We can label 1, 2 like this, and then we can even label 3 instead of 3, 4 here. We can even label 3 here. And if that's the case, then we could be doing a 4 now in the black, right, in the minute degree, and then still after that we got one more push higher to finish 5 and to finish 3, and then continue higher again, and then 4 in the red, and then 5 higher again. So if this is a 2, this is a 1, right? And then so basically what we are looking at here is we are looking at the cycle that started from this October 2022 low, right? This is October 2022 low. So this is a structure of a nest. We got this 1 to 1 2. Okay, now the degree here might potentially, I mean, you can upgrade the degree here and it doesn't really change the overall idea that the structure is a nest. I can call it like this, which means that this 1 in blue is 1 lower degree than this 2 in black here, than the black color here. So this is a primary degree, and then 1 lower degree is the intermediate, and 1 lower degree than the intermediate is the minor degree. All right, so for now the whole idea here is that when any pullback should be expected to find support in 3-7-11 swing and continues to go higher. If you look at the RSI, you can see over here we don't have any divergence right here. So what this is suggesting is that this is unlikely. This is unlikely to be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, for example, right? The biggest sort of risk is that this is a 5 waves and then it's going to drop. But then if you look at the RSI, again, there is no divergence between this and this. You can see here. So that means this is not really a 5 waves, right? This is not the end of wave 5, and if it is not the end of wave 5, then it will be a nest 1 to 1 2, which is what we are showing here, right? So this is more bullish than what a 5 waves imply, because a 5 waves imply we're going to get a bigger pullback. But if this is not a 5 waves, it's a 1 to 1 2, we should continue to extend higher, and the pullback is not going to be that big, It's going to be shallower pullback. Now the pullback has several different options. Like I said, we can play around with the position of the label and so on, the degree. It could, you know, change a little bit the degree, but the overall idea for now is that it is looking to continue higher above this. That's the overall idea as of now, which is this wave 2 here. As long as we stay above 18,892, any pullback coming down is going to find support in the sequence of 3711 swing. Okay, so if you want to get more updates, you can check us in our service. We have 14 days trial, and you can find the link in the description of the video. We cover a lot of different instruments from Forex, commodities, indices, as well as cryptos as well. All right, so see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.